Very cool. So tell us about it.
Okay, it runs good. It's a four-speed transmission.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically it's pretty much the way I got it. I had the cab off of it
Hmm.
and did a lot of cleaning and painting. And like I said, this has not been a 100% restoration job.
It looks pretty.
Yeah, I did all the wood over and to make it look nice. And
Yeah, I love it too. So
I like
nice.
originality, so
I could tell.
I have a spare tire rim fork, but no tire on it. I
Okay.
don't have the rack to put the tire underneath it. That's what this is for. It
Uh-huh.
holds the spare tire up. But
Man, it's just cool.
a lot of the wiring is all redone.
This is how they did it back in 1930. Man, very cool.
This one's a little cold natured, but once she warms up,
Runs
she'll
good,
take you
huh?
wherever you want to go.
Real torquey too, I bet. Man, it's so cool. I think he did a great job on this truck.
I had the front axle was out of it and clean, painted. The wheels were off of it and everything was checked and redone. And
Yeah, brand new tires. They look real good too.
it's
Brand new muffler, right?
new exhaust on it.
Love this pop-out windshield with a visor. The roof looks brand new. Finished in
Brand new
vinyl.
roof.
The correct,
I bought it. There was no wood in it, no covering on it. I had to get all that stuff put on.
wow. Love the rack body too. Or stake body, they call it, right?
What a job taking that all off by myself.
Oh, yeah. It's so high up too.
And heavy.
I bet. All that wood and steel. That's how they did it. Man, what a great job you did.
But this looked pretty cool when I had it set up for the car show and then it rained. So
Oh, of course, you got rained out. You had it all set up with hay and everything.
yeah. So I decided, well, that's it for the year. I took everything off of it.
Yeah, beautifully done. Man, look at that axle on this thing. Whew. Nice big drum brakes too. Bet you it stops on a dime. You can get all the parts for these things too, pretty much, right, Bob?
Yeah, Ford parts are pretty
easy.
common.
Such a great shape. I bet you they just drove the wheels off these things.
Well, I'm not crazy about the Fords anywhere. It's hard for me to get in and out of it. You can see the space between the seat and the door
Yeah, real
post.
small. Shoot,
And I've
Philip.
got big feet, so it's kind of rough to get in and out. Yeah,
Love the seat too. That's the way it was.
yeah the seat cushion lifts up. There's tool storage underneath it for whatever you want to put under it.
Cool. Man, 21,837 miles. Jeez.
Everything works. It's supposed to work.
Yeah.
And it's all done. The inside, all the upholstery and the top wood, it's all painted
Wow.
black the way it's supposed to be. And
Yeah, really nice. Love it. From a simpler time. Can you crack the hood? Crack the hood. Wow, beautiful. Man, all
the
new
little white
hoses.
spots from polish splatter. Yeah,
New wires, right?
yeah. No
Steering
spark plug
box.
wires. They got little copper bands on it.
Oh my god. That is so cool. Oh, right clamps too.
Yeah, they're originally Ford style clamps.
Man, look at that single blade fan. That is so neat.
I tried to keep everything as original as I could. I didn't want to upgrade anything. Like a different distributor,
Yeah.
a better fan, or all that stuff. Because she was running cool, never had a problem. I said, leave it
Why
original.
change it? Yeah. I love this oil fill cap. That is neat. That's how it was, huh?
That's the way they were.
So cool. All right, let's fire it up.
Okay.
And honk this horn too. I can't wait to hear it.
This also has a shut-off valve underneath the dash for the gas.
Hmm.
So when you're not using it, you shut the gas off.
Wow. That is amazing. Man, these are the trucks that built America, right?
That's it. That's right, Ford had a better idea.
Right? I love how the VIN is on the block. That's so cool. How the VIN's on the block. So neat.
That's just the VIN tag, so it's a number matching vehicle.
Very cool. There it goes.
Was you running on the gas here?
Probably because of the tilt. What's this button for?
If you want to put it in reverse,
Yeah.
you have to lift this up.
Oh, it's like a reverse lockout.
Exactly. It's a 4-speed transmission with reverse lockout, so
Very neat.
very cool. The
Very
shut-off valve is underneath the dash.
Oh, a little petcock.
Right there.
Oh my god, that is so cool with the copper tubing.
Yeah.
That's how they did it.
That's it. Gas gauge is so simple. It's nothing but a piece of cork
Oh, really?
that bounces around in the gas tank. Yeah.
The windows roll down nice. Very cool. Man, what a neat truck. A little cold-blooded. Very cool, Bob. I love it.
This one came out from by you. What was that?
Oh,
Punch off.
Fuck off.
There's,
Cool. That's where all the farms are.
yeah, there's an antique dealer out there on the right hand side. I think he buys the States.
Oh,
And he
wow.
had it sitting out in the front. It's a long story though.
Oh, wow.
My wife had very bad heart problems.
Okay.
And COVID had hit. She wouldn't go to the hospital. She was having severe heart failure.
No.
So one day she said, yeah, I feel pretty good. If you want to take a ride, yeah. And we went out east. Got all the way the hell out.
No.
The pains are kicking in again, get me home.
Okay.
So I started flying home.
Sure.
Slow down, I feel better.
Oh, good.
I seen this on the side of the road, and I stopped that guy. I said, what are you going to do with that stupid thing? You don't need it. Good. When you die, I'm taking you to the cemetery.
Awesome.
I'm not later you die.
Oh my god, terrible. Sorry, Bob.
You know how bad I felt?
Sure. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call. I don't think this one's sticking around too long. 631-339-0399. And check out my site, too. I probably took about 150 photos. 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.